I cannot tell you how excited I am about this camera. I'm going to Africa in a couple of weeks and wanted to make sure that I could capture all of the excitement. I'm going to go gorilla trekking and chimpanzees and golden monkeys and tree climbing lions, and I wanted to have a camera that was able to capture everything. So let's unbox this baby and see what's in here. So it starts out with the standard books for your getting started guide, instruction manual. Let's go ahead and get into the box and see what's in here. So we flip this open and looks like the camera will come out first. It is in this nice black bag. This feels kind of like paper. So let's pull it out and get a first look. And here she is. Look at this. I love that they have this wrapped this way, and this is so exciting. It does come with the lens hood to protect the lens. It comes with the glare guard. Now let's see what else is in the box. As we open this up, oh, this is a happy surprise. I didn't read that it came with this. So there's a camera strap. Here's a charging cable. It comes with the outlet so that you can plug this in to charge or just use the cable by itself. And it comes with one Sony standard battery. And that's it. That's everything that comes in the box.